Hey there, fellow learners. Taking effective notes in class is one of the most important skills you need to succeed in school and beyond. But let's be real, it can be a snooze fest sometimes. That's why I'm here to spice things up and show you how to take notes like a pro, while also having a little fun along the way. Here are quick 4 ways you can take notes. Let's start. 1. Choose your writing utensil wisely. The right pen or pencil can make all the difference in taking effective notes. Some people prefer the classic black pen, while others find colored pens or highlighters helpful for organizing their notes. And if you're feeling extra fancy, try out some fun and unique stationery to make note, taking a little more exciting. 2. Use abbreviations and symbols. Let's face it, there's no way you can write down everything your professor says during a lecture. That's why using abbreviations and symbols can be helpful for condensing information. For example, instead of writing according to, try using AC. 2. Or instead of approximately, try approximately, try approximately. 3. Create a system for organization. Having a system for organizing your notes can save you a lot of time and headache when it comes to studying. Try using different headings or sections for different topics, or use symbols to indicate key concepts. And don't forget to date your notes so you can keep track of when each lecture was. 4. Make connections and ask questions. Don't just write down what your professor says. Try to make connections and ask questions about the material. This will help you understand the information better and retain it for longer. Plus, it's a great way to show your professor that you're engaged and interested in the material. There you have it, folks. These tips may seem simple, but they can make a huge difference in your note-taking game. Remember, taking effective notes is not only about writing down what your teacher says, but also about being engaged and actively processing the information. So try out these tips and see what works for you. And most importantly, don't forget to have a little fun while you're at it. Please like and subscribe to our channel.